Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Windows Hello uses facial recognition, fingerprint, and a PIN for sign-in on Windows 11. You might disable it to meet corporate policy or simplify credentials. Disabling returns the device to password sign-in only and prevents biometric prompts at the lock screen. These steps cover user settings, local removal of the PIN, and administrative enforcement with group policy or registry keys. Follow steps carefully and back up your system before applying group policy or registry changes to avoid accidental lockouts. Open settings from the Start menu or press Windows key plus I to open it. Go to Accounts and then choose Sign-in options from the left column. Under PIN, Windows Hello, click Remove and confirm your account password when prompted to delete the PIN. Under Facial Recognition and Fingerprint sections, toggle each switch off to disable biometric sign-in. If you use a Microsoft account, also disable Require Windows Hello Sign-in for Microsoft accounts in the same page to prevent automatic PIN prompts. For enterprise control, use Group Policy Editor on a domain or local machine with gpedit. MSC. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Hello for Business, and set use Windows Hello for Business to disabled. Run gpupdate/force and then restart the PC to apply the policy immediately. As an alternative, create or edit registry keys under HKLM/software/policies /Microsoft/passport for work to match policy settings. Always export the registry before changes and ensure administrators can recover accounts if sign-in options are removed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.